Most people hang gallery walls crooked because they eyeball the spacing. Here's the professional method that takes 10 minutes and guarantees perfect alignment every time. Step 1. Lay all your frames on the floor in your desired arrangement. Use painter's tape to mark the exact position of each frame's top left corner. Take a photo of this layout. You'll reference it on the wall. Step 2. Find the center of your wall space. Measure the width and height. Mark the midpoint with a pencil dot. This is your anchor point. Use a level to draw a faint horizontal line through it. Step 3, using your floor photo as a guide, measure the distance from your center point to where the first frame should hang. Mark each nail hole location with a pencil. Space frames 2 to 3 inches apart for visual breathing room. Step 4, hang your heaviest frame first at the center point. Use a stud finder to locate wall studs if frames are large. Nail at a 45-degree angle for drywall or use anchors. Hang remaining frames, checking level after every 2 to 3 frames. Pro tip: avoid the most common mistake, hanging frames too high. The center of your gallery wall should be at 57 inches from the floor, which is eye level. Did you use this trick? Comment your gallery wall below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.